From the world of celebrities, Afrobeat superstar and Grammy Award-winning singer Damini Ebonluwa, popularly known as Burna Boy, joined Africa's richest man Aliko Dangote on March 4, 2025 for an Iftar dinner alongside other prominent figures. In a recent clip shared on social media, the Nigerian megastar Burna Boy was seen with Alhaji Aliko Dangote, breaking the fourth day of the ongoing Ramadan fast. Videos from the event captured the Grammy-winning artist greeting Dangote with deep respect, highlighting the significance of their meeting. The video featured a moment where attendees served themselves from silver bowls. However, Burna Boy's time with Dangote comes few weeks after Nigerian billionaire businessman Femi Otedola hosted him and fellow Nigerian Grammy Award winner Wizkid in his Lagos residence. Burna Boy has previously revealed he admires Aliko Dangote, having named a song after the industrialist on his Grammy-nominated fourth album, African Giant. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.